So now for person birthday, you want swam 500 million naira for periwinkle or for suya. Excuse me, Annie, don't try. Make it allow this woman, make it allow her live her life. What did happen? So all the old days, you don't see another day to show up. Now for her birthday, make we fear God for this country. To Papa, you are the head of the house. You are the head of the house. See what did happen? I beg, look at you. You might not try now. What if you want this one? Oh, on her birthday, now you person say you want swap. Oh yeah, come and sue me now.
Hey, not the way person not go see oh. Peru just go sue Two-Face wife for 5 million naira. I no understand. Like seriously. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe, may you go subscribe so that you go to hear many news when they come out for you. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Peru. Like una know Peru na the baby mama of Two-Face. She go sue yesterday, na be Annie birthday. This woman can go sue Annie for 5 million naira. Like the thing see they shock the whole Nigerians, the whole good Nigerians. The thing see they shock everybody. Say wetin make am go sue Annie? The thing we never see understand up till now. Like seriously, hey, me no understand. Wetin okay? You want go sue am? It can't be the day of her birthday. Like this woman, I beg, may you remove any name for social media because the matter be don say they die down ever since. Wetin come make you now come go bring this matter again now? Eh? Okay, I don't understand. Like because you see her say even with Two-Face now they don't settle everything, don't dey okay for them. She don't apologize. She don't beg. Wetin make her even bring the matter come for social media? She don't still beg. Like wetin come be your problem? Wetin make you now come go sue her? Now I me no understand. My people, this thing not shock una. The thing shockalize me oh. It shocked me oh. Like I don't understand. Wetin make Peru do this kind thing? Now the part where everybody see the ask, that be this one. It just go sue am for 5 million naira. Like I don't understand. Like hey, my people oh. Side chick now go see the sue person now. The real fair talk say not the way person no go see oh for this social media oh, not the way person no go see. What did she can't do you rich like that? So if they pay you, say in with Two-Face don't settle now. Now that pain, now that pepper body, now they worry you now. Because if not be that pepper body, what it go make you just wake up in the morning, say what you go do now, and to go sue Two-Face wife? Because you see the apology letter where she writes, say beg the husband family. Now that one now it can make you now say no, you go sue am. My people, hey, this social media don't turn to something else. It don't turn another thing. It don't turn wetin we no understand again. Like wetin go make Peru go do this kind thing? You just wake up in the morning, say wetin you go do now? Okay, you want make your name trade for social media. You want make we begin the year of you like I don't understand. On her birthday, we're supposed to be happiness for her. When she's supposed to celebrate with your husband. Now you say no, why she will come celebrate? Now to come bring court paper, come give her. This social media, side chick, una no dey fear again. Una no dey fear wife wey dey house again o. Una go just dey do anything wey una like because say you born for two-face. E no marry you. You no dey shame. You no fit go look for your own man. You dey look for two-face. They go for everywhere. Me, I no understand you. You born for am. E come mean say e must marry you. Na everybody wey dem born for na dem dey marry. Na wow. Wetin even make am dey swan na nonsense o, my darling people o. E say because say wey two-face wife Annie say right say e leave am for house go meet Peru for America. Na that one so na im make am dey vex now wey say he wan come sue am for 5 million naira. Like seriously, you know wetin be 5 million naira? Na wow, my darling people o, nothing wey person no go see o for this social media o. Nothing wey person no go see, my ogbonge people. Two-face wife now wey be say the woman now be just still forget everything. You know, I know that girl like a very reserved person. Before she come cry out that day, I know say the thing pain her. And no woman wey no go pain. No woman go see say e husband dey go dey meet the baby mama. E might no go reach ground o. Because you see the road wey person fit pass, e no dey hard if you wan pass am again. You understand? E no dey hard. So no woman wey no go dey feel jealous like, my husband wan go meet the baby mama. Me no go even gree sef. If you wan give am anything, I will follow am go. Because if you leave only the two of them for inside room, then you know women now. Una know women. If you just see seduce and you see here say she don't get another belle again, you go say, I beg my wife, na mistake. Na so you reach o. Na so you just reach, my darling people. You understand? So this one wey Peru wan start again, so you go fit finish am. This gbege, this problem wey you wan bring so, you go fit finish am. Because una wan start again o. Matter wey don still finish now, you wan bring am up again. I go put the write-up for wetin Kemi write, and it really makes sense. You understand? Kemi say we no fit carry this fight for social media o. You wan still bring wetin don fit pass. You wan bring am come out again. Na wow, my darling people o. Nothing wey Musa no go see for gate o. Nothing wey person no go see for this social media. Peru, abeg, make you stop this thing wey you wan start so. Stop am. Stop am. Because una matter, una know say social media, e no dey finish o. Any small thing, social media don carry am o. Make you stop this gbege wey you wan start so. Make you stop am, So my ogbonge people, anything you wanna think about this video, more na leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral and always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.